Hello everybody, Maximilian here, welcome back in another video. This video we're gonna be unboxing another package, this time from CNFans that weighs 5 kilograms. I paid for the shipping roughly like $75 so it was really cheap to be honest with you. And yeah, this package includes luxury items along with some cosmetics and electronics. So category wise it did have potential to be more expensive, but with CNFans and a lot of different coupons I got the shipping down to like $75, which is just an amazing price. By the way guys, if you're looking for a lot of links with high quality products, check out this Panda by Finds group on Telegram. You have the link down in the description. So yeah, let's begin unboxing this big boy. As you can see, the package is very well packed. Okay folks, so as you can see at the start we have some Birkenstock shoes here, so let's begin unboxing them. Let's begin with this one. As you can see, the box itself looks very nice. Let's see how they look like inside. So yeah, just like this, as you can see, we're having these beautiful Birkenstock in this size 38 this time, and this one is the real metal. As you can see, it's the real metal. The insole is super nice, super comfy, materials are absolutely superb, and I have no complaints about that. Look at the logo, it looks very nice as well, I love it. The tag here on the side looks great as well. Checking out the other shoe, the right one, it looks great as well, to be honest. To be fair with you, nothing's bad, everything looks just great, I love it. And this is how the sole presents. Continuing, we also have some nice Birkenstocks. As you can tell, yeah, they look absolutely phenomenal. This time in a bit different color, as you can tell. Yeah, the materials are also a bit different. Metal tags and everything is here. And as you look on the sole, it looks just like this, size 37. And yes, to be honest, you can't really go wrong with the Birkenstock. Clogs, they look just perfect, especially for summer and spring. Yeah, great shoes. And the last pair of shoes, also Birkenstock, time in this beautiful green color, in the size 39. Honestly, this color is super cool. I love the material, it's very comfy. Just take a look at the shoe and yeah, honestly it looks super nice. I love it. Same sole, same everything. Links are in the description. Now here in this bigger box we have something bigger, something more interesting, which is the Knapsi. This time in a size L. So let's take a look at this, let's unpack this. As you can see, it's wrapped in such a vacuum bag, so it doesn't take a lot of space in our haul. Let's just take a look at it. As you can see, the logo looks quite nice, I love it. Taking a look at the ziplock, this is how the zip looks like. Also very nice, YKK ziplock, it's made from real metal. Cold and touch. Here are some tags, you can see, a relaxed fit, so a bit bigger. And yeah, it comes with the reel down and everything is here. To be honest, I have a feeling like this one is not really puffy. Like the genuine one is much more puffy than this. But to be honest, I like how the jacket looks like. Other than that, it looks just great. Honestly, it's a bit big for me, like L is a bit too big for me, but yeah, you can see everything. Jacket is nice, jacket is genuine looking. Okay people, and continuing, here we also have some more of Sunny Angels. I have purchased them in the past, but I decided to get more. So yeah, you literally get like 10 of them plus 2 gratis free ones, and so yeah, 12 in total for the price of $10, which is just an amazing price. As you can see, this is how they all look like. You can see every single model of them. So continuing guys, we also have loads of different rows. As you can tell, I purchased like the cases and stuff. This one is made for the iPhone 16 Pro, you can see it's in the brown color. We also have the pink one. It's very squishy in here so that you can hold this thing in your palm very firmly. And here is also the cosmetics holder. Again, in here we also have the gray one. This is how it all looks like. And with that, I also have the cosmetics. So yeah, 2 times the brown one and 1 time gray, 1 time pink. Yeah, as you can tell guys, this thing works. Lips are glossy. Okay guys, and the cherry on the cake. Here we also have the best quality 1-to-1 AirPods Pro, 2nd generation with the ANC and stuff. So this one is from the Jenny. 5.3 Jenny. So as you can see guys, they do come with the papers, manuals and stuff like every single other AirPod. And they were honestly quite expensive, like $65 US. So definitely on the pricey side, but I hope the quality of them is also on point. These are meant to be like the best on the market, the best one-to-one headphones on the market. So yeah, they also do come with the USB Type-C cable alongside with the ear tips, spare ear tips. Yeah, so as you can see guys, I'm unwrapping them. Let's just connect them to my iPhone. The shell looks just amazing. I love how it all looks like. You've got the real aluminum here. And yeah, to be honest, they look just nice. Let's try connecting to the iPhone. You see the pop-up animation, and let's hold on the button on the back. They do connect just fine. As you can see, the AirPod looks like this. And let's just wear them. Let's see how is the music quality like. So yeah, to be honest guys, these headphones are absolutely amazing. I love how they all look like and work like. The hinge is super strong, very satisfying, much better than on the cheap ones like you get for like 15-20 bucks. This one's much better. And most importantly, they're packed with the technology. You can just move your head to just answer the calls and decline the calls. So okay, so they're a little bit expensive, like for $65 US, but at the same time they're also much better than the cheap ones, and also cheaper than the original ones. So if you're not in the mood of spending like $200 US on headphones, AirPods, get these. Are just like 70-80% of what you get on the real ones in terms of deals, and pretty much the same sound quality like on the real ones, alongside with the ANC, which is amazing. Worth it guys, worth it. So guys, that will be it as for this video. I hope you enjoyed this haul. As you can see, we purchased a lot of nice items alongside with the AirPods, which honestly are very tech advanced and so cool. If you want to buy such amazing stuff, you have all the links down in the description, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok, where I do loads of different comparisons and videos on CNFans, also many tutorials, so you can see everything down there. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video guys. Bye!